Hello everyone, it's Justin from Oakley Home Access, your one-stop shop for everything home accessibility and home safety. We're super passionate about fall prevention, aging in place, and increasing accessibility throughout the community. So this week for Tip Tuesday, we're going to talk about DIY tips, something you can do at home without purchasing any products or having us install anything in order to greatly improve safety and facilitate fall prevention while we're bathing. So one of the most common injuries that happens and one of the most leading factors to falls is when individuals get out of the shower when they're soaking wet. So very often, folks are vulnerable when they're wet, it's slippery in here, even with proper grab bars, when they step out and they're full of water, they create puddles, and no matter how many grab bars there are, it can still be very slippery. So conversely, what we want to do is always have a towel accessible so we can dry off completely. Now if there's a mobile seat in here, that's great. You can sit down, do your toweling off. If there's not, if you're standing while you bathe, use your grab bar for support, towel off completely until you're dry, then stepping out becomes a lot safer. You're not tracking water everywhere, you're not creating puddles, you're lowering the chance of a fall during your bathing experience. So that's the tip for this week. Again, Oakley Home Access, 401-429-3882. Jump on oakleyhomeaccess.com, find out a lot of great other tips and equipment and services we provide. And stop by the showroom, 322 South Pier Road in Narragansett.